I am Joe Toles. I am currently working with Jackie Baer Mental Health Services as a remote counselor and worked many years with Alfred University and their students who are preparing for licensure in mental health counseling. I've been doing this for a long time and always in person, and had since really retired from doing this and was just going to take a back seat and do other things that I'm interested in. And then when COVID rose its ugly head, there was a much greater need for people to get counseling services. It also increased the accessibility for people to get counseling services.